was on his way home from Cameltop. Been 2 weeks gone and he thought he'd stop at Webb's and have him a drink before he went home to her. Andy Willow said hello. He said, hi, what's doing? Willow said, sit down, I got some bad news, it's gonna hurt. Said, I'm your best friend and you know that's right, but your young bride ain't home tonight. Since you've been gone, she's been seeing that Amos boy said. He got mad and he saw red, and he said, boy, don't you lose your head, 'cause to tell you the truth, I've been with her myself. Well, that's the night that the lights went out in Georgia. That's the night that they hung an innocent man. Well, don't trust your soul to no backwoods southern lawyer, 'cause the judge of the town's got bloodstains on his hands. Well, Andy got scared and left the bar, walking on home 'cause he didn't live far, you see, and he didn't have many friends, and he just lost him one. Brother thought his wife must have left town, so he went home and finally found the only thing Daddy had left him, and that was a gun. He went off to Andy's house, slipping through the back porch quiet as a mouse. Came upon some tracks too small for Andy to make. He went to the screen at the back porch door, and he saw Andy lying on the floor in a puddle of blood, and he started to shake. The soldier patrol wasn't making the round, so he fired a shot just to flag him down. A big belly sheriff grabbed his gun and said, why'd you do it? The judge said guilty on a make-believe trial. He slapped the sheriff on the back with a smile and said, supper's waiting at home and I gotta get to it. And that's the night that the lights went out in Georgia. That's the night that they hung an innocent man. Well, don't trust your soul to no backwoods southern lawyer, 'cause the judge in the town's got bloodstains on his hand. Well, they hung my brother before I could see the tracks he saw while on his way to Andy's house, and back that night were mine, and his cheating wife had never left town. That's one body that'll never be found. You see, little sister don't miss when she aims a gun. And that's the night that the lights went out in Georgia. That's the night that they hung an innocent man. Well, don't trust your soul to no backwoods southern lawyer, 'cause the judge of the town's got bloodstains on his hands.